to Bargara. We have just stopped now. I think we've been on the road for about 2 hours. So,
Hi.
Hi.
I've been so bored, but I think they're also too bored because I think they haven't done anything, so.
We're just going to stop and have something to eat, and then we can head up back on the road again. What did you get from Miso Yum?
I got chicken tenders, boneless chicken tenders and chips, and orangey sauce that should be hot.
Very hot. Up on a dirt road.
Is that partially dirt? We're about to go back to...
We're going to go back to bitumen.
So we've arrived and we've already unpacked, so now I can give you a tour. And so this is the bathroom, a lovely sink, and then the toilet's here, and then there's this massive shower, and then the next room is my room, and it's in here, and so I've done, this is my bed, and this is where I'm going to keep my suitcase. And then, yeah, there's a closet, and then this is Mum and Dad's room. They also have a closet, but bigger bed because they sleep together, obviously. And then some sort of storage space, and then like a beautiful buffet. And then this is the kitchen that we haven't put all the food into the fridge yet. There's a microwave, there's an oven, there's a stove. This area pretty much has it all. And then dining table and the lounge room. And then and Dad. And then there's a patio out there where you can see cars and people. So we're going to go for a walk down at the beach and see like what dinner places are available and stuff probably. Oh, there's a cat, there's a cat, there's a cat. There's a cat. Okay. Calm and steady and slow. Oh god, it's funny. I don't like it. No, definitely don't like it.
Are we close to the beach?
I can hear the waves, so I assume so. And by the way guys, just if you didn't know, I'm more of a dog person than a cat person. Oh my god, look at that view.
Oh.
Next time, remind me not to take my shoes off at this park. Okay. Sand is better. Look at all the wood that's washed up from the ocean. That's a big piece.
Different colour sand.
It's our crabby. Hello, crabby. The crab guy. Oh, he's so scared. Hello.
It's like
of rocks to go past, but I think it was very good. And now we're gonna look for a fish and chips place for dinner. Yum. So we got fish and chips from the seafood place, and I got fish bites and chips. Mum and Dad got, well, Mum's finished, but Mum and Dad got, what did you get?
Bassa.
They got bassa and a tray of chips.
And some gravy.
And some gravy.
Dinner's over and we are exhausted. Well, Ben's exceptionally exhausted because he did all the driving today, which was about 4.5 hours. So yeah, we're gonna just chill out on the lounge and watch some TV and then go to bed, and see you in the morning.